Are you looking for the best soldering irons? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best soldering irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Qming 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit. The Qming 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit is an excellent choice for beginners, welders, and basic household equipment. It features an upgraded 80W high power, a high-definition LCD screen display, for ventilation holes on the solder tip for better heat dissipation, and a flexible temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius-480 degrees Celsius/356 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The kit includes a soldering iron, a simple soldering iron stand, conventional sponge, 1mm tin lead rosin coarse 60/40 solder, and more. It is suitable for welding circuit board, appliance repair, jewelry and metal head dressmaking, computer, and DIY. What we like: fast heat up time, adjustable temperature control, multiple fine soldering tips, complete kit with accessories, value for the price. What we don't like: average build quality. Included stand and solder are basic. Number 2. Plus Evo Soldering Iron Kit. This Plus Evo soldering kit is an essential tool for various soldering projects, appliance repairs, circuit board welding, and DIY hobbyist in crafts and jewelry making. The kit includes a high-quality soldering iron with adjustable temperature knob, replaceable tips, and heat-resistant cap and grip for maximum protection. It also comes with bonus accessories such as a desoldering pump, tweezers, mini screwdrivers, and heat shrink tubes, making it a complete package for all your DIY needs. The durable and convenient carry bag keeps all the components organized and easy to transport. Plus, the manufacturer offers a 30-day money-back/replacement guarantee and lifetime customer support, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like: heats up quickly, comprehensive accessory kit, adjustable temperature control, beginner-friendly design, excellent value for price. What we don't like: short power cord, lightweight stand stability. Number 3. Lexivin LX770 Butane Soldering Iron Kit. The Lexivin Butane Torch Kit offers a versatile 13-piece set designed for professionals who need reliability and precision. You can easily adjust the flame size from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches, making it perfect for various projects that require different heat levels. The kit's metal fuel tank is durable and refillable, giving you longer use without frequent replacements. Thanks to its large tank capacity, you can work continuously for up to 75 minutes and refill it in just 10 seconds, helping you stay focused on your tasks without interruptions. This kit comes in a handy carrying case, making it easy to transport and store. What we like: quick heat up time, multiple useful tips included, durable and reliable performance, great storage case, excellent customer service. What we don't like: butane fill adapter needed, requires high purity butane. Number 4. Soldering Iron Kit with Adjustable Temperature. The soldering iron kit with adjustable temperature is a 60W soldering gun with an on-off key that allows for energy saving and safe soldering. It comes with a set of 5 different soldering iron tips, making it easy to use on various electronic devices. With an adjustable temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Celsius, you can easily finish your work under different conditions. The ergonomically designed handle and high-temperature resistant silicone protective cover ensure a comfortable grip and anti-slip effect. The 6 exhaust vents extend the life of the soldering iron while preventing overheating. What we like: quick heat up time, adjustable temperature control, multiple tips included, good value starter kit, convenient carrying case. What we don't like: lightweight stand, basic accessories. Number 5. Soldering Iron Kit, 80W110V with LCD display. This soldering iron kit heats up quickly with 80W high power and a premium ceramic core, reaching operating temperatures in just 10 seconds. It has a clear digital display and an anti-scalding handle that effectively insulates the temperature. The soldering iron has an automatic sleeping function that decreases the temperature after 5 minutes of inactivity in temperature memory, which means it will heat up to the previous temperature when turned back on. It is user-friendly, portable, and can be used for various purposes, such as welding circuit boards, home DIY soldering, jewelry welding, appliance and electronics repairs, among others. What we like: fast heating, adjustable temperature control, digital LCD display, includes multiple accessories, great value for price. What we don't like: small cleaning sponge. Instructions could be clearer.